channel. So my goal for this video is to get the rest of the stuff stripped. Hopefully we don't get any more surprises, any more major areas of rust. Happiness is just a disguise. My number one regret was that I should have got my wife's Datsun sandblasted. What if there was a way I could try to blast it myself? So, what did I buy and where did I go? I stopped by your local, I'm building a project car on a budget store, Harbor Freight. Hope it makes our life easier, blaster. I've heard horror stories, I've heard success stories. Does this thing even have hype? And if it does, is the hype real? I'm gonna let you guys know. First lesson to be learned, obviously use some eye protection, get a long sleeve, shirt over your head. Oh, yeah. And then go back. I don't want to give you guys my thoughts just yet. Let's keep on going, then I'll tell you guys what I think about it. So if you guys watched the last episode, you remember when I said so far I had not seen any more surprises. So far, knock on wood, so far I haven't discovered any new rust. Yeah, well I completely jinxed myself. Yeah, well I completely jinxed myself. Because there's more surprises. Plenty more surprises. You'll see. Alright, so we are back out here again. If you can't tell by my voice, sickness has ran its course through my whole house. Wife, son, daughter, me. Come out here in little sessions. But I have not felt the greatest. So obviously you can tell by that last clip, I was not feeling good. And based off what I found under the car, that did not help matters. I am gonna show you guys the rest of the damage I found. The last clip you just seen was a week and a half almost ago. I had done a bunch of work on my shop truck, which there'll be a video coming out of, maybe right after I edit this one. And then I started working on my wife's 240Z again. And then sickness hit me, my wife, my son, my daughter, pretty much the whole house right in the middle of this. And I found the more damaged areas. I'm sitting here going, should I just start over? Buy my wife a better base to start with? Yeah. And you guys seen from the video, I did the sandblasting. I used a torch with a scrape blade. Shout out buddy who watches the channel, Jason. He also has a Datsun of his own. I believe he commented in the last video and said to try the torch with the scrape blade. That is the most gratifying, quick way to strip away stuff and be able to look and visually see that you made a lot of progress. The downside to that is just nooks and crannies. The sandblaster, the torch, and the scrape blade, I use the wire wheel. That's always a good alternative. Just with the undercoating, the speed of the wire wheel, it kind of melts the undercoating and you kind of deal with that, but it does work. And then the sandblaster. Do I recommend buying one? Heck yes. This thing right here was like 30 bucks, 35 bucks, I think. And the media that went in it was roughly 30 bucks, I think. I have not tried sand in it, so I'm sure sand will be a whole lot cheaper, maybe a better cost alternative. Drawbacks to that is it's not exactly the quickest. It's not necessarily the fastest, but what I did like about it is the nook and crannies that it's hard to get stuff in. Bolts, little pieces. You can look here. I mean, it cleaned all that up, cleaned that up. I can need to go in there some more. Cleaned all this up. And basically, I didn't keep doing it. That's when I started getting sick in the video. And the next time I use the sandblaster, which I will use it again, I am definitely gonna I'm gonna make myself a hood to put over that covers my shoulders and my neck, because them particles get in your shirt, your socks, your shoes, your butt crack, everywhere they can go, your ears, your hair. I literally feel like I washed my hair probably 5 times. The 5th time it was like, did I get all the stuff out of it? Just let the water rinse it and rinse it. So yeah, that'd be the drawback. Your sand or your media that you're blasting with hits all these nook and crannies and surfaces. It goes everywhere. It's on the floor. I mean, this stuff, big pile there. I mean, it goes everywhere. So the next time I use it, I want to get a big sheet where I can basically enclose between the car and let the sheet go behind my back, and then spray it to where the particles hit the car, the sheet, and fall to the ground, and they don't go everywhere in my shop. And yeah, I wanted to share this information with new Datsun owners, more experienced Datsun owners. I'm curious if there's anybody who bought, say you went out and bought a $4,000 or $5,000 nice platform to start with, a nice 240, 260, 280. Did you guys go and have it stripped? If you did you find this kind of stuff underneath it, or is this just what hides under a $300 Datsun? These areas back here, that was hidden under perfectly good undercoating. I mean, it was like undercoated, primed, and you wouldn't think any of these little sections was gonna uncover what it uncovered. Found rust there, several little holes, rust here, rust there, 2 rust holes down here, and then right here where the filler neck went, damage. All this is good. And then the spare tire, holes, holes, rust hole. Up here, this area was good. Got a little bit of damage in this little nook and cranny over here. The rest of the frame rail, so to speak, is good. You guys remember we already repaired this underside and that. just the same way they did this side. They drilled holes and they filled this underside with Bondo. So yeah, hopefully you guys are patient with me. I know some people are frustrated that I just didn't buy a gazillion replacement panels right out of the gate. Guys, this is my first restoration project of this caliber. I've learned a ton. One, get it sandblasted right out of the gate. That would have showed me how much areas I had to fix. I would have bought replacement panels. Guys, we can't go back though. And I'm too far invested now. As far as my work hours and just all the areas that we've already fixed, we're not gonna abandon the project. However, when I was sick and then I found all this, I was like, I just need to start over. No, 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 no. But yeah, hopefully you guys extend some grace my way. Could definitely use it. Work a full-time job, wife, kids, try to work out, maintain a healthy lifestyle, working on my shop truck, working on my wife's 240Z, all while trying to record it and make somewhat educational and entertaining videos for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Right when I found all this damage while being sick, it's kind of like a big old size 15 kick in the nuts. Now that I've had time to feel a little bit better, get on my antibiotics, now I see it's just a few little spots. Granted, I didn't want to find those, but I'm in good spirits is what I'm saying. So hopefully you guys are excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this section here. I thought about cutting the majority of this bottom, imagine just this plane right here, out. I'm not sure exactly. It's a toss-up, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed me passing on the information, what I thought was the best method of stripping the underside of the car. Hopefully you guys are doing work on your own projects. I'm gonna finish editing this video. I'm almost done with it, get it out to you guys, and then I'm gonna try to edit what's been done and update you guys on my shop truck build. If you hadn't already, check out that build. That's all I got. Dusty Mac is signing out. Hopefully I feel 10 times better the next time I see you guys. Peace out.